Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some English grammar rules. We arrived blank the airport at in. We use at with specific location like airport, stations or addresses. When we think of the place as a point of arrival or departure, we use at there. Whereas in is used for larger enclosed spaces where you are inside a general area. Example, in the city, in the park. An airport is treated as a specific point, not a broad area. We use here at. We arrived at the airport. Are you angry? Blank me? Question mark. With about. The adjective angry. Angry is an adjective which is followed by with. When the object is a person, the source of the anger. The source of anger about is used when referring to the cause or subject of anger. Example, angry about the news. Right? So here we use with. Are you angry with me? I work blank Google in for. What do you think? Work for means in, work in, refers to the place or field of work. For example, work in marketing. Work for. For means you are employed by a company or organization. Company or organization. So here Google is a company, so we use here for. I work blank Google. I work for Google. Next, he is afraid blank the dog. Of from. The adjective afraid is paired with of to show the thing that causes fear. To show the thing that causes fear. For example, he is afraid of the dog. From. Afraid from is not standard English. From is used with the verb like hide. Hide from or run from. So, run from, hide from or run from. So it is the correct present preposition for expressing